1964 Volkswagen Beetle we're looking at here today, guys. Silverado Man 61 here for you. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave your comments down below. This is a 64 Volkswagen Beetle. This is an older restoration which is held up really nice. It's definitely been in the garage. Don't know when they restored it, but it has been restored, but a few years ago. I'll check on the thing there and maybe let you know. Really nice. Like I said, it's held up really well. I mean, the paint's okay on it. It's an average paint job. I'm not seeing any rust or paint bubbles or anything like that. No rust around the seals and everything. Seals even still look fresh on it. I don't know if it says where it's anyway, that's the information for you on the 64 here. I'm trying to see when it was restored. It's gotta be, I think it's over like 10 years ago. I love these Volkswagen Bugs, these older ones, man. They just run forever if you take care of them properly and stuff. Make sure they have oil in them. Air-cooled engine. They're fun to drive too, man. I'm glad that they didn't. Looks like they may have lowered it a little bit. Can't really tell. Looks like the front end's a little bit lower than it's supposed to be, so they may have put some a lowering kit on it. I'm not sure. I don't know if the hood's open on it. It is. There you go. There's the engine on it. Like I said, all the seals around the windows are in really nice shape. Running boards. Even the seals around the vent windows here are in good condition. Just a really beautiful car, man. They're asking in the 20s for this one, which is I still think is a little bit too high. I think this is more like a 15 grand car, if you ask me. Anyway, guys, there you go. 64 Volkswagen Beetle. Subscribe to the channel. Everybody out there, drive safe.